Hi, I'm Cameron Reaburn. I'm a surface maintenance foreman here at Fosterville Gold Mine. I've been here now nearly 10 years. The main thing I enjoy about the work is the people. They're great people and it's a huge variety of work. Being a surface maintenance department, we cover pretty much everything above ground, and we could be anywhere, any time of day, doing anything, up in the plant, in tanks, welding, the whole gamut pretty much we do it. Look, the main thing I like about the mine is the work-life balance. It's reflected in how many people are here and how long they've stayed here. We're only 30 minutes out of Bendigo. The other thing I especially like about it, having an Indigenous background, is the way Fosterville care about the land. You look around, we've got such a diverse range of critters running around the place. It's basically its own ecosystem, nature-wise. We've got kangaroos, we've got snakes. Last year we had ducks come out of there. It was about 10 little ducklings. From your managers to basically your supervision above you, you respect the position. Occasionally you see people and you respect the person in that position. And we have a lot of it here at Fosterville. Well, that's what I see. And that follows down through the guys on the floor. And it's a very respectful, diverse place to work. That much investment's been put into the place in infrastructure and as well as people. You can see really longevity in this place now, which makes morale lift. You go to work to make money, you don't go to work to make friends. But if you do, it's an absolute bonus, and I've got lots of bonuses here.